What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color green from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll line up the top of that circle, come in and down towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to shift the pupils towards the outside of the eyes. Let's start from the outside of the left eye, draw a smaller circle, coming in, around, and then out, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's go ahead and fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to draw the top of the head by connecting the top of the eyes with a curve. So we'll start on the left, we're going to go up, round up the head, and then bring that back down. Let's line this up underneath the eyes and draw two short lines coming down the side of the head. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. We'll start by adding two V's on the side, coming down and up. And then we'll add two more along the inside. Let's pull this up towards the middle, and one more on the right. Now leave a gap and draw in the lower jaw. Let's line up with the side of the head over on the left. Start by curving this down, and then bending that up towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the bottom of the chin. We're going to come down the middle, and then back up. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth pointing up. We'll start with the side, going up, and then down. And we'll add two more teeth in the middle, going up, and then down in the middle. Let's add the tongue coming out from the mouth. We start from the inside edge of this tooth. Start by going up and then out in behind the top row of teeth. Continue that curve coming down. And we'll bend the tongue going back up. Let's round up the end of the tongue. I'm just going to trace this back in behind the tooth. Curve this back down towards the bottom. Now from the bottom of the left tooth, curve the back of the mouth, coming down and in, curve this out and down in behind the tooth. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Go in behind the tongue. Now let's draw in the long arms. We'll start on the left side of the chin. Start by curving this down and then up. Round up the arm, go all the way around, and then pull that in. Let's draw the top of the right arm going up. Start from the right side of the jaw, curve this down, go around the tongue, and pull that in. And we'll just bend that back out towards the fingers. Now you want to add three long fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom left, round up the finger, and go back up. Let's add two more. Coming down, and then up. Now the third finger will come down towards the tip. Just going to round this out, and go up. Now follow that curve coming back in towards the body. I'm just going to taper the arm so it gets a little bit narrower as we come in towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right hand. Start with that first finger coming around and then in. The second finger. And then the third finger go out. Pull that in towards the arm. Just going to round up the arm And just trace that curve coming in toward the side of the body. Let's bend the side of the body coming down towards the hip. We'll start on the left. Coming in and then down. And the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's bend the legs going out towards the side. So starting from the left hip, then the leg going out, and then all the way down toward the bottom of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. Going out, round up the leg, and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the legs with a curve, going down and then back up. And we'll connect the inside of the legs with a curve, going up, rounding out in the middle, going across, and then down. Now let's move to our red marker and fill the inside of the tongue. Just going around the teeth. And then with our light green marker, we're going to add some highlights across the top of the head, arms, and legs. Let's start from the left side. Just add a thick highlight going across. Just come down the left side of the head. Now we'll add a highlight across the top of the left arm. Going in behind the head. Across the top of the leg. And then we'll use a darker green and fill in the rest of the body and head going around those highlights. And once we finished our coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color green from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.